is a message from the Artists on a Mission, CMO2 Kristen Sogilion Lim, Philippine Navy Reserve, also known as by Mebeb Kasbakas, or the Princess Unity of the Balaan tribe, and by Pinadalhag, Princess Most Love of the Manuvo tribe. Tonight I want to emphasize the crucial role that women in the military play in civil military operations, specifically when it comes to supporting culture, arts, and empowering indigenous tribes in the Philippines. The contributions of women in the military should not be underestimated, particularly in initiatives that involve cultural sensitivity and creativity. Women bring a unique perspective and skill set to civil military operations, especially in the context of engaging with indigenous communities in the whole country. Their ability to emphasize and communicate effectively allows for better understanding and cooperation. With these tribes, moreover, women often excel in areas such as art, which can serve as a powerful tool for bringing cultural gaps and fostering mutual respect and understanding. In the book of Proverbs 31 verses 8 to 9, it is written, "Speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves, for the right of all who are destitute. Speak up and judge fairly. Defend the rights of the poor and needy." This verse highlights the importance of advocacy and empowerment, principles that are central to the mission and supporting indigenous tribes. Empowering indigenous tribes in the Philippines is not just a matter of a cultural preservation. It is also crucial for the overall development of the country. These tribes hold valuable knowledge, traditions, and practices that can contribute significantly to the cultural richness and diversity of the Philippines. By supporting and empowering them, we are not only honoring their heritage, but also tapping into a wealth of resources that can benefit the nation as a whole. In the book of Philippians 2 verses 3 to 4, it states, "Do nothing out of selfish ambition in vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourself, not looking to your own interests, but each of you to the interests of the others." This verse reminds us of the importance of selflessness and putting the needs of others before our own. When women in the military engage in civil military operations to support indigenous tribes, they are embodied these principles of humility and compassion. Let us recognize and appreciate the significant contributions of women in the military, fostering cultural understanding, promoting arts, and empowering indigenous tribes in the Philippines. Though through their dedication and effort, we can move closer to a more harmonious and inclusive society that values and celebrates diversity. Maraming salamat pong muli sa pagkikilala, Gawad Filipino. Inaalay ko ito para sa bayan, sa aking pamilya at mga minamahal. Tinatanggap ko ang pagkilala na ito para sa kaluwalhatian ni Jesus. Mabuhay, Hiraya Manawari.